Hello, today we will explore the first chapter of the book Database System Design, Implementation, and Management by Carlos. These chapters focus on database system and I will present content clearly and shortly. Okay, first, we need to understand the difference between data and information. Data refer to raw events that have not been processed, such as number 25, the word mail, or Hanoi. In contrast, information is the result of processing data to create meaning. For example, Nguyễn Văn A, 25 years old, male living in Hanoi is clear information about a person. Let's visualize. Data is like raw ingredients, while information is the finished dish. Next, let's look at what is the database is. A database is an organized collection of related data to store electronically and can be accessed and processed by computer system. In real-world examples, in bank, the database stores information about the customer accounts or maybe transactions. Okay, we cannot overlook the DBMS or the database management system. This is the software that acts as an intermediary between users and data. The main function of the DBMS includes creating, storing, modifying, and delete data, querying data using SQL, securing information with access controls, ensuring data integrity. Example, common DBMS today includes MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQL Server, or maybe Oracle. There are various types of database. We got the personal database. It's single user, limited data. This can be used on Excel. One more is about work group database. It's small group to user in a small company, small human resource management system. About the enterprise database, is large data, hundreds of users accessing. Banking management system distribute data spread across various locations, branch system of bank. The last one is cloud database, storage and processing on cloud, such as like Google Drive, Firebase. Okay, before the advance to DBMS, the data was often used in separate files, leading to several issues like structural dependence on file formats, data redundancy, making management difficulty in sharing data and ensuring accuracy and the consistency. The DBMS helps tackle this problem by minimize data redundancy by storing information only once, enhancing consistency when data is modified, and we also relate information updates automatically, making system earlier to expand the maintained supporting powerful and flexible queries. One notable point is that the DBMS accelerates application development. Instead of writing code or save or reading data, we can use on SQL. We can use SQL to query data quickly and easily. Role in model in enterprise. today world, we all large system relies on database. We have the customer relationship management, enterprise resource planning, e-commerce, or maybe it's banking and fintech. Data is indeed the digital access on of an enterprise. Okay. Finally, let's examine the difference between traditional DBMS and the modern technologies like NoSQL and data lake. With the traditional DBMS, it stores the structured data, very strict rules, use SQL, suitable for transaction system. What about for NoSQL data lake? Can store unstructured data like image, visualization, flexible schemaless using unique syntax like MongoDB, Firebase, Neo4j, suitable for big data and AI system. Okay, today many enterprises often use a combination of both leverage and the benefit of each. Okay, further in conclusion, to summarize the chapter 1, we have explored the following key concepts. Okay, first, the data is raw, while information is processed. A database is an organized collection of data. DBMS is the software that manages database. We need DBMS from design to reduce redundancies, improve the management, and enhance the security. The type of database includes personal, workgroup, enterprise, distribute, and the cloud. Okay, thank you for listening. And if you have any question,